Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a reverse flower dip with my flower shaped cup for the flower, and the colors are phthalo blue, permanent red, violet, gold, this metallic cobalt blue, and permanent violet. And of course my pearl white, that it's Vallejo pearl medium mixed with titanium white, and my pouring medium for some lacing, and I have white for my background. And I'm just thinking how I want my colors to be. Don't necessarily want two metallics together. So let's start with some gold, and I will add this Russian blue, phthalo blue, this and this. Okay, so white will be my base color today. I will put nice even coat on, and I did add a little too much on there because I want nice even coat, and I will tilt that back to the cup. So my base is down. I'm working on MDF board today. I painted it with white just because it's brown and don't want to see that through the colors maybe. So this is the plan. Torch for the air bubbles. And I will measure the middle with that string. Put down my cup, and it's just 8 by 8 inch, so I have to be careful. So I will start with some gold first, and some pearl white. And the blue. And some pearl white. Metallic cobalt. And pearl white. I will add pearl white between every layer because I want a lot of lacing today. Permanent violet. Pearl white again. And pearl white again. And gold. And pearl white again. And pearl white again. Cobalt. And I will spray my paper napkin with water to soften it up. I will put my gloves off for this part. It down in the middle of the flower. And the other half. Press. And I will leave that 4 corners first. Sides. Up, up, up. And now I will wrap it like a present or something and lift it towards the middle. Whoop. And here is a flower. Just want to correct this petal a little bit. And I will add a little bit of white here on the corners where I kind of grabbed a lot of paint off, and it will have some more even layer to level out while drying. Okie doke. Let's see. A little bit here in the middle. Just want to add a little white here. And this part, just like that. So here she is. Maybe this is better orientation. Beautiful lacing. Just looks so 3D. Yeah, like it. So here you have it, a simple flower with some fluid acrylics and napkin, and of course flower shaped cup.